going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. You catch me outside with the bike. I have a little modification which has just fallen on the floor. This is how you know this is real, unedited. Alright, pick that up, put that back there. Right, mod on the bike. We're gonna do 2 today because the weather's good. Where's the sun? Let me blind you all. Hope you enjoyed that. It's been pissing me off because that is not the color I wanted. So I'm gonna change that, and it's falling again. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna leave that there. We're gonna change this to another color. Blue clearly isn't my color scheme for this bike. As you can see, it's black and red. So again, let me pick this up and try and do this one-handed. So I can get to it. There we go. Right, might just leave that there so it can't fly off. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. And here's what we're going to change it to. A red one. So let me get some tools, which is going to be that Allen. Okay, this is going to be nice and easy. So Quadlock in the pack for that, when I fitted it, when I first got the bike, Quadlock actually give you the tools. Quadlock actually give you the Allen key. Well, there's 2 different sizes. There's that one there and there's that one there. Now, just to make my life easier because I'm by myself, I've undone this a little bit like that. If it will autofocus, try and grab that and not drop anything. And it comes with Loctite, blue Loctite already on it. Clearly it's needed. So I'm going to put that on the floor so I don't lose it. Take off this and stick that there so I don't lose that either. And that comes off in one piece, just like that. So how are we going to get this off? I don't actually know. Oh, it's spring loaded in there, if you can see. So what I'm going to have to try and do is pull that out, but I'm going to need 2 hands. Okay, so I've broken that down into 1, 2, 3 separate pieces. Now I need to open this bad boy and hopefully put it back together. So I've opened it and this is it out of situ, and that's how it's going to look on the bike. Right, with 2 hands, which was not easy, finicky as hell, I've managed to get that in just like that. That acts as a spring so you can release and lock the phone in place. Now let's get this bad boy on here, lock that in. Bloody hell, looking a million times better already. Yeah, I'm happy with that, definitely. Let's get this firstly. Put that on so that it looks like that. Let's grab this, put that back in there. Where's the special key? It's in my pocket here somewhere. It's in this pocket. And I believe it was the bottom bit. Lock it in place. Get it hand tight and then give it a 1/4 turn so that it's solid. And there we go. We have a release. The sun is messing up my shot, but I'm not going to complain. And there we have it, looking a gazillion times better than before. Ignore that ugly thing.